All right, y'all. So if you want to know what I'm going to do with my social media planner this week, coming, we have a lot of stuff coming up. Stay tuned. And then we're actually doing a sneak peek to my release also. So let's get to it. All right. So let me see if I can scoot in a little bit on here. Wait, that's too much. Let's do right there. Well, I didn't even move it that much anyway. So I'm going to be honest, it was a busy week and I haven't had a chance to do this. So we're going to pretend this week never happened. But I can tell you the shop launch was a success. I'll tell you that much. It was super good, and I appreciate everybody that bought from me, everybody that supported me, everybody that went over there and got some stuff. I appreciate it. I'm gonna have another one probably on Friday, next Friday. The newsletter went out, and this one was actually one of my most viewed. I have about. So I don't know what happened to my audio here. I think it was like an Amber Alert that came through, and I didn't know those ruined your whole video. So the whole video was like messed up now because the audio went away after this. I didn't know that. So for that, the most viewed that I had on the news link was actually, I think it was 66 views. In total views that I have is like 400 and something. So I'm like pretty happy with that. And then on the 9th, well, I'm writing in there and I messed up like 2 or 3 times, as you can tell. I messed up again, trying to spell the word scheduled. Rescheduled. I don't know why it was so hard for me to write. Salome and Mami Ko, she rescheduled her release. And then we're doing the likes here for ours for the week. And doing the calculation and going through it and all. I didn't know the iPad like Instagram thing was so small, like, or is it just my iPad? Or is it just that? Like, it's really, sorry about that. It's really small. Like, I was like, what the fuck? I've never noticed that much before. I guess, I don't know. It just blew my mind that day. And then I was talking about Rhonda 96. If y'all don't follow her, follow her. She does a lot of stuff. And then she also has a YouTube too. So like on this one, I'm just like writing down the date, the numbers and all that. And I actually left that's what I'm saying, like maybe it's like switching around or something. And it'll get bigger. But it really doesn't. It just stays small. I exited out the bitch, I came back, and still some nada. It was still small. But yeah, I added up everything, and it came out to like 467 in likes for the week. It's not bad. But I know I could have done it better this week. If I would have like applied myself. I honestly have not been really applying myself, I think. It's just been a hectic week. It was my birthday week. Little stuff here and there has been frustrating. Work's been whatever. I was off on Friday to do some things, which I got done and all that. And then there I'm just showing you the Texas spread that I did. That was like my favorite one. I don't know if Brandy Perky Papery still has that available. But of course I can link her on the description below to see if she does. That's the giveaway I have going right now, actually. Which y'all can comment on that if y'all want to join the giveaway on the video, which I think it's for the haul that I have. I have a pinned comment on it for the giveaway one. It's for the one with the birthday haul. It's just the full set or the full kit of the full sticker kit from Anna Bean that I'm giving away. she gifted me one, so I'm giving one away. And here I'm just gonna show y'all like what video, which is the birthday window Tanya with the giveaway. I did pin, like I said, I pinned a comment on there so y'all can see what to put in the comments and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure y'all go there if y'all wanna join the giveaway. It's not a thing, like a big thing, it's just something I wanted to do. Especially since I like the kit so much. You can see the kit flip through there as well. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. So here I'm just adding it all up. Which seems like a lot. Well, it is. I think I had like more. I think I had 4 more than last week. So yeah. This week I'm going to kind of set myself a little. I'm still setting myself at 500, so I'm going to see what I can do for 500. I do have a lot of videos I recorded over this weekend. Will wasn't here, so I did take advantage of all that and record a lot of videos. So still the same goal, 500. And then here I'm just gonna start decorating, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. So those are gonna be in the shop pretty soon. I'm gonna cut through to here. I'm done basically with the spread. Instead of waiting and all that for all that stuff to come through, I just like, man, let me just cut it out because you can't hear anything anyway. Besides the fan in the background and maybe Doja over here. But these pins I didn't get Elizabeth from Joyful Soldier, I think, Sojin, so something like that. She was showing these on the thing, and it's been going back and forth with Instagram, and she's probably tired of me already. But she was showing them, and I was like, "Ooh, what pins are those?" And I got them. I'm waiting for another set to come through because there's 3 sets, so total it's like 21 in total pins. They are kind of meant for like blackout. Well, you can write them in blackout or any. You can write on any of them. But I want to try them on my blackout. That's the second set. The original set is the front one. The second one is I think they call it like a cheerful set. And then the last set is called a dream set, which I'm getting in the mail pretty soon. She gave me her link from Simple Paper to get it. So it kind of worked that way. And I couldn't find that one anywhere. That last set, the dream set, I couldn't find it anywhere since she sent me the link for it. So that was super cool that I was able to get it. She sent me that. And I actually ordered some sticker sets from her too, which I didn't know I actually like their stuff, but I did, so I'm gonna try it out. But yeah, I kind of like the way they write. They write like the gel pens. I don't know if I wrote kind of weird right here because I didn't know how long they're gonna take to dry. So yeah, it's kind of like crazy. It's like a different form of my chicken scratch. Tuesday is gonna be okay. Like Monday, of course, social media stuff that I post every Monday. If y'all want me to change that, let me know. If y'all want to do something different, let me know. If y'all want to see something different Mondays, just give me an idea. I just put it here so y'all can know more or less what I'm gonna do for the month. For the week. I do have to put up a monthly for this one. Or if y'all prefer the week, it doesn't matter. Let me know in the comments how y'all want to do that. Monday, I think the monthly I can do. Monday I wanted to do the birthdays and the like releases like I did last week and like events that are happening that month. But honestly, I just don't have that much time to like see what the releases, write them down and all the other stuff. Like I can't keep up with a lot of them, and I don't know a lot of the releases only because I stick to like certain people only that are releasing stuff. Like I don't like other shops and stuff like that. I only stick to like certain ones, and it's not only the ones that I PR for or affiliate for. It's not just them, but it's I don't want to say I'm biased, but kind of am, because I only buy from certain shops. It's not that, no offense to any other shop, but everybody has their preferences, and once you find something good, I'm the type of person, like, I like it, I just keep buying it. If they have it, when I have it, but if they don't, they do. I've been wanting, like I can tell you, I've been wanting to get some stuff from, Sammy Lynn, and I just haven't had a chance to. Like, she has some cool, like, arcade ones with some girls, and they look really cool, but I want to try them. The only thing that scares me is that she does a lot of box stickers, and that's the thing that scares me. But I still want to get them. I just haven't. Every time I go to get them or something comes up, and then I have to switch around and do something. So it's like, yeah, but eventually. But if y'all think that's a good idea to do, let me know in the comments. Or like, what do y'all do y'all's monthly with for social media? Let me know in the comments to see what y'all think about it. If y'all want to see something different on Mondays, yes. Because I just thought it was just getting, like, that's why I kind of switched from the blackout to this, just to get it like a different aspect of it, of social media, like, and I didn't know if y'all were getting tired of my blackouts. So that's why I switched. And then plus I was going to run out, so I was going to have to switch eventually. So yeah, but we can figure something out, I think. I wonder if I can get my old social media printed out on black paper, because that would be super cool. So anyway, back to the social media stuff. I do have an Excel that I've been working on that kind of sets me up for the weekend and all this other stuff that I've been trying to mess with. I can show y'all how I'm going to do that, actually, if y'all want to. But I don't know if anybody messes with Excel and stuff like that, digital wise, but it just helps me kind of like keep stuff in track. It could be like a scheduler in a way, if you see it like feature wise. But for me, I just use it like, trying to use it like monthly to see, what's going on with it, what to do, what to post. Like basically like a brain dump in a way. So DGP, of course, is Wednesday. The newsletter is Wednesday as well. Friday, I want to do a release for, not a release. I want to do a cookie thing, but actually there is going to be a release. My release will be on Friday. And I did do the cookie. I'm going to have to re-edit my video for the cookies if I can find it, or I'll just like make the cookie, because I redid the cookie thing. The recipe, the very first one, I redid that, and it came out so fucking cute. Like, super cute. Like, the baking stuff that I got, they're cute. And the way I put it together is super cute. But yeah, but that's going to come out it's going to come out Friday. My release is going to be on Friday as well. I do have Chelita plans. I usually like run my stickers through her to see what she likes, or like see if she can like pick up anything like wrong with stuff like that, like with my releases before I release them. So she'll tell me, hey, this is wrong with it. Hey, whatever, you know what I mean? If you want to do for me, if you want to do that for me, but I would prefer you have a cutting machine, like either a Silhouette or a Cricut or something. That way you can cut them, because I need to know, like, if I send them out digitally to people, if it's gonna cut right. Like on the other one, or one of them, I saw that as one of the girls' dresses is kind of like cut through, so I need to fix that. And that's the kind of stuff that I kind of need to know. Like this whole release I printed out myself, so I can just do it, whatever. But I think it would be, if y'all want to help, that's fine. Like, I don't mind. If I have the files, I don't mind like giving them to you. If you just give me feedback on that to see how they cut, though. Some people I do have just to see if they can just print them out for me, because since before that I started the shop, when I first announced it, they were like always helping me, stuff like that. So I do send it to them. If you want to be part of that, you can send me a message too. You know what I mean? I do need some people. I don't want to have a lot. I don't want to like, kind of like, I don't know. But if you do, just let me know in the DMs. Maybe I can put you on a chat and see, hey, I'm going to put this out, and I'll have a separate chat for the printing people and go from there. Or maybe I could just put you all together in one. But that, you need to start looking into that. taking this stuff kind of seriously. But yeah, but this is pretty much it. This is the spread that I'm gonna do for it. It came out really well, I think. And like I said, what I wanted to do with this is to see if the dolls and the element and all that tie together. And I was able to do this spread, the one I did for Sancho spread. The Sancho spread, this one. And yeah, the small one, because I did the B6. So I did a small B6 and I did this one with the 2 sets of dolls, and I still have dolls left over. The elements, I did use most of the floors with purposely. The elements, I did use them purposely as well. But I think that's enough stuff to go around, because I know somebody had told me, you use a lot of little elements and stuff like that for your spreads and combining them. So that's kind of what I like. I don't like for them just to be the dolls and then that's it, and it's hard to put together. So I kind of like, I don't want to do that. I kind of want to put like the dolls with stuff and like a collection where you can actually use everything. And then I kind of want to do like a smooth transition to where you can use like one collection with the other collection and kind of all mix it together. But that's going to be kind of hard to do, but I'm going to try it. But we'll see, because like black and white, I want to do color too as well. So, but hopefully I'll like this, because I'm liking it. It came out better than I thought. I'm going to notice I have to write my tracker stuff down in the bottom. And I think that's the blue or purple. I don't know. I don't remember what it was. But you have to write down there. So yeah, just let me know about that stuff. Let me know about the social media, what y'all want to see. If y'all want to see it on Monday, I don't want y'all to get bored of me, just whatever. I do plan to kind of like talk to y'all like I am right now, more, but like face wise, like I'm going to have my face in the video as well. And I suppose you're going to see me like planning. That's kind of going to come in the future, because I'm trying to figure out how to do that with the MacBook. I know there's a way. And I know some people do it too, so that's why I actually got the idea from. I got it from a craft lady that does it on YouTube, and I thought that was really cool. So I want to start doing that, because I want y'all to see my expressions when I'm doing stuff, when I'm talking to you and talking with my hands and doing the other stuff, so y'all can just not see my hands. So there's a lot of stuff into play. So I'm hoping we can get that going, and hopefully y'all like it. I think Desiree's done it a few times. Desiree Plans does it a few times too, when she's doing like the what to buy or what she's gonna buy from the release. But I want to do it with my planning, so I think that'd be cool. With the planning, I think it'd be really cool. Y'all get a different view of everything. But from the pointing, I can tell you, I was already done with it, so I can say, y'all have a blessed day. You have a good one. Don't give anybody the power to ruin your day. Give yourself something positive to say every morning when you wake up. Don't be negative. It's a challenge, I know it is, but it helps out during the day. It helps out, like, for you to be positive in the morning when you wake up. So, of course, love y'all. Y'all take care. Be blessed. Bye.